Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a fall look. Like, I know it's 90-something degrees outside and it's not time for sweaters just yet, but I want it to be sweater weather. So we're gonna do this fall tutorial. And I really love brown lipstick, so alrighty. So if you want to see how we got this kind of glittery cut crease, shimmery, glittery, fall inspired cut crease, you just keep on watching. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is this fall look. It is September, it's fall, and I want to wear fall colors. Even though it's like 90-something degrees outside, I want to wear fall colors. So we're going to do that. Alrighty, so first we are going to prime our lids with our NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Neutral Tan. Okay, so now that we've got our eyelid primed, what we want to do is take a small brush, our Morphe 25L palette, and take the shade NYC, which is black, and just stamp that on to our eyelid. Ready, and now we want to take our Morphe 24G palette and pick up an orange shade. So like this orange shade in the second row, you're gonna want to pick that up and then just kind of stamp that on. And kind of blend it in. Will. And now take your Jekyll and Hill palette, and I don't have the sheet that has the names on it, so I will tell you it is the orange on the second row. Kind of looks similar to the one in the 24G palette, but it's not. To blend that in, it's just to help everything blend in better. And now we take our Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and get into that orange shade. And now dip into the yellow shade, tap that off, and just slightly blend right over that orange. Ready, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease with our same concealer and JH42 brush from Morphe. And we're gonna go back into that NYC shade and just make sure that black didn't like go anywhere. Open that up real quick. And we're gonna go back into that orange shade from the 24G palette and just stamp that onto the wet concealer. And kind of blend that in with the black. Add a little bit more black. Back into the Jaclyn Hill palette with that same orange shade in the second row. Go into the Juvia's Place palette, take the brown shade and kind of put that in between the concealer and the part with the Jaclyn Hill color on it. Go back into the orange shade. So we don't want any harsh lines, so kind of blend it while you're patting it in. And then the yellow from the Zulu palette, put that right on the edge. And now we're gonna hop into our Jackie Aina palette. It's really pretty. We're gonna take the shade Zam and just pat that on the rest of the wet concealer. And kind of blending it into the other shades. Alrighty, now we're gonna take our Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And we're gonna kind of make a thick line across the top because I wanted more glitter. Like, it looks fine as is. If you guys want to stop here, you can, but I want more glitter. And now we need to clean up this outer line while we're waiting for that glitter to dry. Now we're gonna add some mascara to our upper lashes. Ready, and now let's go ahead and prime our face using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Now we're gonna go into that Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Warm Honey. Then we're using this brush from e.l.f. It is the concealer buffing brush, and it works really well. So we're gonna go in with the shade Nutmeg now, same kind of foundation. Just go around the edges of my face where it's slightly darker. Now we're gonna go back into our same concealer in the neutral tan right under our eyeball. And then take a little bit of the shade Pale, so same kind of concealer, just in the shade Pale, and right underneath the eye. Let's just brighten it up a little bit. Let's sit there for a second. So now we're just gonna blend this in, starting with the chin, because I don't want that area to be too light. And just let your concealer sit for a bit before blending. Forehead, and now we'll go under eye. Do that last, so it won't be too light everywhere else. Don't want to walk around looking crazy. And so I kept like mainly like the really light concealer like close to where my dark circles are. I don't like to sleep on my days off. It's great. You'd think that I would be passed out until like noon on my days off. No. Go to bed at 3, wake up at 9. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a mixture of the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Loose Setting Powder and the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder, and put that underneath our eyeballs. And I mix the two because the powder that I got from Too Faced is slightly too dark for what I want it to do. And Kat Von D, I don't know, the mixture is just great. Okay, so we're gonna bake our under eye and our chin area and our nose. And while that's cooking, what we're gonna do, we're gonna contour. We're gonna take our Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring kit in Tan to Deep and start with our cheekbones and contour. And then we're gonna blend our forehead so that way it's not like, you know, that line right there. Go down here and hit our chin real quick. And let's just take a brush. Any brush will do. Put like a little bit of that powder on it. Very, very small amount. And blend it where you no longer see that harsh line. Okay, add more powder just because we can. Actually, while we're waiting on that to bake, I'm actually gonna do my lashes. So let's just do some Kiss lashes in the style Pixie. Ready, so now let's go ahead and brush away the bake. Let's go ahead and contour our nose real quick. Just pull that contour kit right back out. Get a contour on the nose. Go ahead and apply some blush. And this is the NYX Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a mixture of unapologetic and fierce. I don't want it to be like too crazy. And now what we're gonna do is take our Mario Badescu setting spray, and we're going to put this on our face. I have a scrunchie, by the way, so about that. My hydro flask is in my car, guys. It's okay. Okay, for those of you who are not new here, I do not have naturally straight hair, and so it is straightened butter. I'm gonna put some Sephora wrapping paper over my head just to protect my hair, and we're gonna spray our face. What I hate about setting spray, it always gets all over my shirt. Does anybody know any tricks to like make it not get all over your shirt? I don't like my shirt being wet. So let that dry down just a little bit. And that way all the powders are blended together and beautiful. And it doesn't look all gross. And now we're gonna take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I really did forget to do the lower lash line. Okay, don't hate me, I'll go back to it, it's fine. Things can go out of order, it's totally okay. So let's just take this. Oh yes, girls hate that pimple. Pimple needs to be highlighted. Here we go. Now everyone knows. Bridge of the nose, pull into the nose, mustache highlight. chin action, maybe some on the forehead. And haha, let's go back to the lower lash line because I'm a little bit dumb today. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Starfire. And my eyelash is coming up. Oh! Okay, and now we take our brush that had the black on it and just gently go across the lower lash line. Same brush going to the brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette. Okay, and then the orange shade. Now let's highlight our inner corner. Same glow kit. I'm going with the shade White Sand. So much better. It's just something about that inner corner highlight. It just makes everything look better. Like what? Ooh, look at this pimple. It's popping. Ew. Okay. Now let's line our lips, and I'm gonna take the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. We're gonna take the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Friends, and we are going to put that over our crusty lips. And always make sure that inner portion of your mouth is dry, so that way your lipstick goes on better. That way you don't hit butthole lip. It's a real thing, guys. Alrighty, and we're gonna go in once again and use the Sephora wrapping paper to protect our hair, and the Urban Decay setting spray. I feel it on the back of my neck, so I might not have to get in my hair the second time, but let that dry. Alrighty guys, and that would be it for our finished fall tutorial. And I got my scrunchie. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that other fun stuff. And I will see you in the next video. More glitter, less glitter. Gabby out.